Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in to see what I am up to. I started to do this in a loud truck went up the street. I have my AIA Beauty Bundle box, the American Influencer Beauty Bundle. Just arrived yesterday. Have not even opened the tape. Wanted to do this yesterday but didn't have time. So this is $34 now monthly. Was bi-monthly, now it is monthly. US shipping is included. And this is going to be basically like a brand takeover box each and every month. We get, I think, 5 full-size products. Every bundle has a value of at least $100. And they do donate $1 for each bundle purchased to their charity. When you open the box, be strong, be beautiful, be you. Couldn't have said it better. A little sneak peek here. Let's take this off. Oops, hard. A little sneak peek. It's MAC month. I was so excited for this. Love MAC. Love right here. And then you get a little description and price. That is so important. It saves so much time. I would look them up if it wasn't here. But like I said, excited for this one. I was so upset because yesterday, this comes FedEx for me. And it said at 3:06 it was delivered, and it wasn't delivered to my house. So I had to open a case with FedEx. I'm like, well, oh no, not this box. Like this one I wanted more than anything. And here it was delivered a few doors up because they end in the same numbers that I do. Just so thank God that's a neighbor that I know well. And then he brought it down this morning. But I was like, oh, thank God. I got a text this morning. I have your box. I'll bring it down later. And I was like, thank you. I'll come get it. I had to go out, so and he's like, nah, bring it down. I was like, thank goodness, I don't have to like go through all that hassle. Without delaying, let's just get into it because I'm excited for this. Obviously, it's all MAC. This is the Prep and Prime and Fix, $30 value. I use this every day. I have samples and love it. So now I'm excited for a full size. My sample bottles are like half size, and I have like 4 of them, and you don't need that much. I use a lot of powders sometimes, so setting it with this is wonderful. It helps like blend it right in. So love that. So excited. You have no idea. This I'll probably, I don't know if I'm going to keep this one or not. This is the Magic Extension 5, I guess, millimeter fiber mascara right here. I will not be opening the actual wand, but you can see a little picture of it there. $25 value, but I'll show you packaging. I don't have their mascara, so I might actually keep this one. Oh, look at that packaging. Wow. I'm excited. Love it. What do we have next? Powder blush. Do we have a shade? I don't know until I get in, maybe. Melba? Is that my shade? Yes. Powder blush in Melba, $25. Here is the packaging. Peach pinks, they're usually my tones, more the peachy tones, but I've been pulling for some pinks, so this is beautiful right there. Love it. I'm not sure if I think I do. Do I have a MAC blush? I know I have tons of their lipsticks. So what I see next is eyeshadow in Amber Lights Frost. So here it is right there. This has a $19 value. Let's see what this looks like out of the container. Little, little pot here. A little bit of dust on that. It's cute. I could see myself using that, like in the center of your lid. Ooh, excited for that. I love MAC Cosmetics. And then I think the last product, so that's right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products is, oh no, don't drop. MAC Powder Kiss Lipstick. Love. The shade I have is Marrakesh Me 925. $22. It's about right. I love getting them on the boxy pop-up for $5. I've spent the $22. Ooh, perfect shade for me. I love it. And that's how much you get in a tube. Quite a bit. These last for a while. I probably have about 15 of these bullets. I love, these are like the NARS packaging. Like feels rubbery, but it's not. The slick ones always seem to shoot out of my hand. I love these, but I will add that right in. If there was one thing that I would say I'm not sure that I would 100% use, it would be the eyeshadow. Everything else I will use for sure, but I think that would look nice, like right in the very center towards the front. not to be too much or an all over lid. That would be great for a holiday. Oh, I do have my phone, so I can add this up and see prices. Let me come out of that. That's nice. Keep on getting spam calls. It's driving me crazy. $30 for the Prep Prime and Fix. The lipstick is $22. The eyeshadow is $19. The blush is $25. And the mascara is $25. $100 value at least. Value of $121. I'm happy for all this. I didn't have to buy it, and it all came in my bundle, so that is exciting. I think this is wonderful. I saw somebody's thumbnail or whatever for this, and I thought it was kind of sad. It just could be their thumbnail process. I don't know. But basically, it's like, is MAC desperate? I didn't see that comment when ColourPop was in a box. So I don't get it. There's no rhyme or reason for, you know, why other creators do what they do. It's probably just for the clicks, you know, and the views. I have no idea. I don't play those games. Maybe I should because I get more views, but I just can't be that way. I'm too honest and too transparent, and I'm not going to, you know, hook somebody with a thumbnail like that. I don't think that's right. And when I see that, I don't watch because I know she's going to love the box and love everything in it, but yet from the beginning, her thumbnail is like, questionable. I don't think any company is desperate for being in a box like this. It gets their brand out there. We get to try 5 MAC products, 5 ColourPop products, 5 whoever products all at once and not get a lipstick here and a this there and a sample size. They're full size. Like I said, I love MAC. I love their Prep Prime and Fix and their lip. I think I do have a blush from them, so I've never tried their eyeshadow. Believe it or not, I don't have any palettes from MAC, and I've never tried their mascara, so I am excited for that. So once again, I'm so excited to see what the next month is. I know they put spoilers out, so I can't wait for January. And I was one of those on the fence. I didn't want this to be every month. I love that it's every month now. I'm so excited. So, you know, your opinions can change. I hope they can continue to get great brands like this, like ColourPop and MAC. And I would love to see some other big name brands in here and maybe give us a small palette, like a 4 or 6 pan small palette, like Smashbox does. Things like that instead of single shades. I just think most of us don't pull for single pans too often. But love everything in here. So congrats to you, AIA. Great boxes. Since you went monthly, you were great boxes prior to that. Please, no hair. No more hair for a while. I would love to see an old nail box, whether it be OPI, SE, where you give some nice stuff. You know, hook up with some of these really good nail companies. I think that would be a great box for next year. For me, especially, but I would love to. You can always use your polish on your toes for a pedicure. So leave a comment down below. Tell me what you thought of this. I was so excited that this was not lost in the abyss of God knows where and have to deal with FedEx or try to get it replaced. So happy camper. And I was sad when I went to bed, but had a big smile on my face this morning when I knew my neighbor had it. Thank you. You know who you are. I don't know if they watch, but big warm thank you. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.